Hey everybody, Ben with the Renewed Homestead. Welcome to our new channel. We are now homesteading. We have found a property and there's going to be a lot more videos on that. We're going to be covering gardening, woodworking, all kinds of different homesteading things. As you can see behind me, I am in my new 1860s tobacco barn, and with the encouragement of folks like the Hollars, the Fit Farmer, Sow the Land, and from my home state of Arizona, Living Traditions, my wife and I traveled 2,000 miles in an RV with our 3 dogs and 2 cats to the beautiful Blue Ridge Mountains in North Carolina. And after doing a lot of shopping online and getting, shall we say, delayed with some recent pandemics going on, we finally made it out here. We sold our house in Gilbert, Arizona, and moved out, and we found our dream property. The house is going to need some work. We'll be going into that some, but we are doing a gut job. Sounds familiar, doesn't it, Hollars? The front half of the house was built in probably about the 1910s. The other half of the house is built in the 1960s, so lots of paneling and just some stuff that needs to be ripped out, and so we are pretty much gutting it down to the studs. So I will show you. We believe we have found some American chestnut in the walls, so that's pretty interesting, and would be nice to be able to repurpose some of that and not bury it back under drywall and so forth. But anyway, we've got a lot to cover, and we hope you join us. Take a moment to like us and subscribe to us, and we'll be putting out the best quality that we can. Again, this is the first video that we've done, so hopefully this will be the worst. So be kind in the comments, and do take 20 seconds. Reach out to somebody you haven't talked to in a while. Just let them know you're thinking about them. Right now, we could all use a little encouragement, and let's be kind to one another. Have a great day. Thanks for stopping by.